Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to install the motor ESC real quick. Let's pull the motor plate out. I put this plate in here. Hot racing does give you a screw for this, but it's just a little screw. So I put a bigger one in so you can get a bigger bite on it. So we are going to want to put it up in the air, I think. So let me find the screws. I think these are the screws, the motor screws. I think there should be a couple laying around somewhere, but okay. So let's make sure you Loctite your stuff, guys. That 2.0. See, we want it to go up, so I'm gonna hit this hole. Don't go too tight. Yeah, and then we're gonna hit that hole. You guys can see that. Loctite. Get your hole lined up. And snug them both down evenly so they sink into the groove. And I'm not going to Loctite this because we can get to it. So I'm going to leave that for now so we can do adjustments. This little piece goes down in this little screw here, and you want to make sure it goes all the way in there, guys. Okay? So, as you can see, I still have lots of room to go. So, that's 2.0. Let's zoom you guys in here so you can see a little better now. Okay. Right now, I just want to get the lined up with the, you know, spur to pinion is in the center of each other. That's what I'm working on now. Oops. So let me take this out and put some Loctite on it. And when you guys get new stuff, you definitely want to, especially when you're Loctiting stuff, see how dirty that screw was? It just takes the dirt and whatever grime or release agent they had on it, or oil, or you know, whatever the manufacturer puts on it, or it got on from you running it, or any of that. So now you gotta make sure you line it up right. And the hole's up top there. Make sure. Ooh. Come on. All right. So I got it back in the hole. Let's get it lined up. Okay. Looks like that's going to be pretty good. You guys can see that in there. I got it pretty dark in there right now. Right there, I got it pretty well lined up. Now this one, I always have issues with the Traxxas, okay? You're supposed to be able to go tuka tuka. I think the best way to do a Traxxas on this, myself, especially the 48 pitch, get yourself a little piece of paper like they tell you to do, which is, I think, a good idea when it comes to the 48 pitch. Especially this one, it's so hard to get in there to, so if you just take a little bit, put it in between, feed it down in there. Okay, and then push it in there. Okay, you don't have to cram it in there, just get it nice, you know, tight. And then we will take our screw. Like I said, I put a bigger one in here. I mean, it's just 3mm, but it's a 2.5 end, so you can get a nice bite on it with a washer. It's nice to have that kind of stuff. You know, when you're building stuff, you know, a lot of people starting the hobby's not going to have that kind of stuff, but and then it's a nice long screw. You get a nice good bite on it. You get it nice and tight. Okay. And then you're supposed to be able to wheel it out. And then you should have that little bit of, I don't know if you guys can hear it or see it. I think the paper trick works good with these kind of cars right here. My bigger ones, my 1/8 and my ARRMA stuff, you can get in there and you can get that little tick yourself. You don't need the paper, especially with the Mod 1 gears and stuff like that. It's a little different. But this 48 pitched works perfect for that. Okay. So we're gonna go like this with this one. Yeah, these things are just like right in the way. So I think we're going to do something like this. Okay. I'm going to zip tie them down to something together. And I also have this fan, NHX, my first NHX fan. So we're going to test this bad boy out. We'll have a new sticker for the wall, it looks like. Because I don't have an NHX sticker on the wall yet. Maybe one on the body. There we go. Oh, that's a little bigger than I thought it was going to be. I might be able to crimp this together. I'm going to put a zip tie around it anyways, so that should hold it down. We'll run this up to there. Okay. Do it that way. that. Okay. Then I'm just going to two-side tape this down. And then we'll have boom. All right, let's do this.
Try to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah.
Look at that, guys. That went on beautifully. I forgot I had made some extensions. I had made those for my last car I had it in. So perfect. We will add this on here with some zip ties and be able to get all this wired up and boom into there and put all this into the receiver box.
Try to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you. You're mine. It's right. It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you. You're mine. It's right. It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you. I try to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you. You're mine. It's right. It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you. You're mine. It's right. It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you. I try to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you. You're mine. It's right. It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you.
there we go, guys. I got fan in, motor ESC. I didn't put the switch down yet because we still need to program it. I still need to bind up the receiver to the transmitter, but I just wanted to put the motor and ESC in there and get this done, and we'll call this a video, and then we'll come back and we'll button everything up. I still need to get some shoe glue or E6000 and put this battery strap in. Like I said, these are awesome, guys. This is the medium one. Fits all your 3S, 4S batteries, no problem. Yeah, so we'll peel all those stickers out and stick it in there, but that'll be the next one. Like I said, I still need to get some glue anyways. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and we're almost ready to go rip this thing out and see what we can do. We'll try a 3S in it. I know it'll zip pretty good, and then we'll do a 4S. And we still have a little bit of space to go up. It's a 23 tooth, so we might be able to go up a little higher. I'm not positive, but I want to say I had one that's a little bit bigger. Problem is it's a 5mm, so yeah, it's this one right here, 25 tooth, so we can go up a couple more teeth. So we might try that, so see what that's like. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and you all have a great day.